RAG looks simple until the answer is wrong and nobody knows whether the problem came from the document store, the retriever, the prompt, or the model. Today we are looking at Haystack through the Doramagic Manual. Haystack is an open-source framework for building production-ready LLM applications with modular pipelines and agent workflows. The useful mental model is explicit orchestration. Documents go in, components transform or retrieve context, generators produce output, and every step should remain inspectable. The core object is the pipeline. A pipeline connects components into a graph. Each component has defined inputs and outputs. That sounds basic, but it is the difference between a random chain of prompts and a system where retrieval, routing, ranking, generation, and post-processing can be tested separately. Haystack's component model is the main reason it matters. You can combine document stores, converters, embedders, retrievers, rankers, prompt builders, generators, validators, routers, and custom components. A good Haystack workflow is not just an LLM call. It is a small operating system for context. Document stores are the memory boundary. They decide where your indexed content lives and how it can be searched. Retrievers and embedders decide what context is pulled back. Generators decide how that context becomes an answer. If any one of those layers is invisible, debugging becomes guesswork. The manual also points to async pipelines, serialization, debugging tools, and pipeline breakpoints. Those are not side features. They are how a team keeps a RAG system explainable when it moves beyond a notebook demo. For agents, Haystack is useful because the workflow can be more than a single linear path. Routers can send work to different branches. Tools and components can support multi-step behavior. But that also means you need budgets, stop conditions, and evidence after each step. The safe first run is small. Create a tiny document collection, index it into one document store, run one retriever plus one generator, and inspect the retrieved documents before judging the final answer. Do not start with a giant corpus and a vague success metric. The main pitfall is treating RAG as automatic truth. Retrieval can miss the right document. Embeddings can pull near but irrelevant text. Prompts can overstate weak evidence. The answer needs source awareness, rejection behavior, and a test set with known expected answers. My practical verdict: Haystack is strongest when you want control over the shape of an LLM application. Use it when you need visible components, inspectable retrieval, and a pipeline that can grow without becoming a hidden prompt chain. The Doramagic Manual, project page, and official repository are linked below.